Hello, I'm here. Today's story is about three special girls, Maryam, Farida, and Ruqayya. Three young dreamers, full of ideas, hope, and an unstoppable spirit. Maryam loved asking questions. How does this work? Why does that happen? Her curiosity was endless. And her dream? To be an inventor who makes life easier for people. Farida was the artist. She could see beauty in everything, in colors, in designs, in the way a website looked on a screen. She dreamed of creating games and apps that would bring joy to others. Ruqayya was the storyteller. She loved words, loved explaining things in ways that made people understand, smile, and believe. She dreamed of making technology simple and accessible for everyone, especially for girls like her. One day, their school announced a national tech competition. Build something that solves a real-world problem. The winner will get a chance to present their project to the country's top tech companies. The three friends huddled together after school, excitement sparkling in their eyes. "Let's build an app," said Maryam. "It should be colorful and friendly," said Farida, "and we'll explain every step so everyone can use it," added Ruqayya. They brainstormed for days, bouncing ideas off each other during recess, walking home together, and even on weekends. Then it hit them. An app to teach kids how to save the planet. "We can call it Easy Earth," suggested Ruqayya. "It'll be fun, interactive, and super useful," added Farida. "I can make the recycling game," said Maryam, her eyes shining with excitement. So they started building. Every day after school, they met. In parks, libraries, sometimes online. Maryam learned how to code the basic buttons. Farida designed the screens, bright and beautiful. Ruqayya wrote the stories and messages inside the app. It wasn't always easy. Sometimes the coding was tough. Sometimes they couldn't find the right colors or words, but they stuck together, helping each other, sharing ideas, and believing in their dream. Then came the big day, the tech competition. The three friends stood on stage in front of hundreds of people. They watched as their app was shown on a giant screen. They heard the judges ask questions. "Who are you? What did you make? Why is your app important?" They answered with smiles, with confidence, with the joy of kids who had dared to dream big. They didn't win first place that day, but something better happened. A tech startup offered to mentor them, to help them improve their app and prepare for the next competitions. Their school set up a new coding club for girls and boys. And a new dream was born. They wanted to show the world that girls could be tech wizards too. Maryam, Farida, and Ruqayya taught us something powerful. You're never too young to dream. You're never too small to make a difference. And when friends come together with heart and vision, there's no limit to what they can achieve. This is Elzero Sparks, where even the tiniest sparks light up the whole world. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and most importantly, keep believing in your own superpowers. Bye.